T-Mobile Home Internet uses 5G cellular networks to deliver broadband internet directly to your home through a dedicated gateway device. Due to the nature of wireless signals, coverage can weaken in larger homes or areas with obstructions like walls and furniture. A Wi-Fi extender rebroadcasts the gateway's signal, effectively expanding your network's reach and improving coverage in weak areas. Key benefits include improved signal strength and reduced latency, leading to faster speeds in previously weak areas. This doesn't increase your total internet speed, but distributes it more efficiently across your home. For optimal performance, use a Wi-Fi 6 compatible extender and place it midway between your T-Mobile gateway and the weak signal area. The easiest setup method is WPS. Press the WPS button on your gateway, then on the extender. Alternatively, connect via Ethernet for a wired backhaul, which minimizes speed loss. After setup, configure the extender with the same network names, SID, and password as your gateway for seamless roaming. Finally, test your connection speed with tools like Speed Test to confirm the boost in the extended area.